So a quick one. So if you look at the whiteboard, we have knock down as a phrasal verb and we have knock out. Ladies and gentlemen, the word knock down is to be hit with a vehicle and cause to fall. The phrasal verb knock out is to hit someone so hard that he falls in a punch form, just like you giving a person a blow or punching a person. Why knock down has to do with to be hit with a vehicle, right? And cause to what? Fall. Knock out is to hit someone so hard. In knockout, our focus is not on vehicle. To knock out a car cannot knock a person out, right? That is knock down. The appropriate phrasal verb to use in that context is what? Knock down, not knock out. Let's use these phrasal verbs in a sentence form. We can have Anthony Joshua knocks out his opponent, right? And we can have sentence 2. The pupil was knocked down by the vehicle. So if you look at these two sentences on the whiteboard, Anthony Joshua was knocked out. Anthony Joshua knocks out his opponent. So knocks out has been used in that context is to hit someone so hard that the person falls unconscious, right? And secondly, we have the pupil was knocked down by the vehicle. So be knocked down is to be hit with a vehicle, and as a result, that particular person that was being knocked down by a car will what? Will fall. These phrasal verbs need to be studied, right? If you want to stand out, there is need for you to stick with the standard English. Even your examiner in WAEC and JAMB will always go for the standard English. So I believe you've learned something today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.